Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, the RSTI is floating right now because I am about to take the wheels off. So what I'm trying to do here is I want to get the wheels restored. So the wheels are originally white. It was painted 5 or 6 years ago, and it's now peeling. So I kind of want it to be perfect because the wheels are pretty rare or they are discontinued now. So these are the Enkei RC-T4 18 by 9.5. Just this whole wheel alone is just this whole setup is just super rare. You can't find this anymore. So this is the only set. I kind of want to have it perfect. I'm gonna color it the same. Hopefully they can paint match it. My only worry is that the sticker I will be losing. I have to find this sometime later. It's okay. I don't really mind because you have Enkei badges all around here and all these engravings. So it cannot be mistaken what wheel this is. So it's made in Japan. All this badging in here. So that's fine. I can just install the sticker later. But as you can see, there's just some pitting and a lot of discoloration on the color. I can't clean it. I could probably clean it, but there's some parts here that are peeling, like along the just certain areas, and I see it all the time. Once you know that it's there, it kind of bothers me. So I'm gonna remove the wheels, and then I don't know if I can take you guys along with bringing it to the shop, but they said that they'll assess and then they'll see what we can do. Either they can restore it as is, or they have to repaint the whole thing. So we'll see. Alright guys, so before I bring it over to the shop, I want to show you guys in detail the condition of the wheels. So these are the fronts. The front is pretty good. You can't really tell, what I'm griping about. But you can see it here under the center cap that you can see there's peeling. There's some grime that you can probably remove. I've tried it many times. So I probably need something stronger to remove those. But what bothers me is when I'm cleaning them, like the back, I see it very clearly. Look at how chewed up the back is. Yeah, so the back is originally white. You can see it's showing how white it is. So that's what I'm trying to fix. So based on what their assessment's gonna be, we're gonna see what they say. So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. So it's been 2 to 3 days since the earlier segment of the video. So now we have the wheels back from the shop. So what I did was powder coat the wheels. There is some people that are saying that to not powder coat the wheels, and the kind of implications of heating up the wheel and aging the wheel and stuff like that. But on my personal experience, I've never heard or seen powder coated wheels fail or crack or whatever. So I guess I'll take my chances on that. They came out really nice. The color is Spanish gold. Not like I have a lot of choices in gold, but from the research, from looking up online, the proper gold for this kind of a Subaru, Spanish gold seems to be the choice that you want to make. So look at the comparison from the the earlier part of the video to now. Look at that. Look how clean that is. That you kind of want to this is one of those things that you don't see this very much, but like knowing that it's clean like this, and the lip's not damaged, and it's a stronger finish than paint. So they do bake the wheel and all that, but it's like 400 degrees or so. It's debatable. People will say you're degrading your wheel, you're accelerating the aging process, but I don't know. I've never seen it fail like that. I've never seen one crack. I don't know. I've seen replica wheels fail, but that's not because of powder coating. It's just because of the replica wheels. So here it is. I don't have the sticker anymore. Like I said, I have to find a sticker. Maybe Enkei can sort. I can get it from them. Yeah. So I lost that. So that's hard to find too, because that kind of sticker where it's curved like that is specifically for this wheel. So, but you still have the engravings. You can still see competition use, Enkei, made in Japan, badging, stuff like that. So. The shop rebalanced the wheel. They unmounted it, mounted it, rebalanced, put new weights on, black weights this time, so it's like a little more sleek and nicer looking. Yeah, not much else to say. What else did I do? Yeah, so I think this is a shade darker from before. So that's what I noticed off the bat. Might be the lighting. I'm gonna mount this on the car, and then we're gonna drive somewhere bright, and then we're gonna shoot another segment, and we'll see if it is. It looks kind of darker, the shade, like just a little bit. So, but it's a richer gold. Like you can see, like it's a richer gold. Like there's like some flakes in there. So yeah, let's go get this mounted, and then we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so before I put the wheel on, I just want to include this in the video as well, that I do put anti-seize for this area of the wheel where you put the rings, the hub-centric ring on, just so that because when you remove the wheel, it's really hard to get this off there without, possibly damaging the wheel. So next time around, this should come out. I have a replacement coming in the mail because this one's kind of corroded. So I'm gonna replace this again, so when I do, this should be easy to remove. I just want to include that with you guys for this video. I just, I picked this up in AutoZone. It's nothing, nothing crazy. So there you go. And then I put the center cap on and another dab of antifreeze at the face of the ring, because that kind of interfaces with the adapter that I'm using right now. So this is the only gripe I have. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier. It's adapted 5x100 to 114, and it's about a 20 millimeter adapter. So someday, I don't know when, either I'll get a true offset 5x100, or I'll convert the whole thing to 5x114. So that's a long-term plan. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but let's just tackle it with this one for now. I also have to refinish the calipers. That's also another video. Okay, let's get back to the topic here. All right, I got the first half installed, but I couldn't wait. I just had to look. It is kind of darker. It's a darker gold, but it's not bad. It's not bad actually. It looks so rally right now with the way it's lifted like this. Once we put it on the ground, it would look much better out in the sun. But yeah, this little teaser right here. It looks like straight up rally car. Like, imagine if it's my suspension's that high. Still looks kind of cool though. Alright guys, apologies, it's a little loud. A lot of trucks are passing by. Here's right here in the sun. I think it is a shade darker, like deeper gold. So it's not so bad actually. It's kind of like a richer gold. Like the one before, if you look at the previous videos when I first got the car, I did like a walk around. It was more of like a yellowish gold. This one's more like just deeper. I don't know how to explain it. Spanish gold is what they call it. It looks amazing. It looks more expensive in my mind, I think. Not to try to justify what I did, but it needed it so bad though. And then Spanish gold was my choice. I don't have any other colors in mind, so that's I have to live with it. So I think it's a good choice. I think it's a solid choice. It did change the shade, so I wasn't ready for that, but I expected it. I just, there you go. That's, what do you guys think? So let me give you guys another side profile. It's a little bit deeper. It's a little bit of deeper gold. Yeah. It stands out though. Like the metallic of it kind of matches the blue paint. Like it just kind of ties it all together. Yeah, the sun is really harsh right now, but yeah, in the shade, on the shade side, yeah, you can see how much darker it is. I love it, man. Like I mean, I love it though. Like it just makes me feel better that now that the wheels are restored. The next thing to do is the calipers. I still have to put the grill on the front there because it's like way too open. Just kind of protect the radiator there and the AC condenser. But other than that, I'm really happy with the results. So yeah, that's the first mod I did. Restore the wheels. Now next I'm gonna restore the calipers, and then we'll go on from there. I don't know what else. Power mods wise, I don't know yet. So that's up in the air. So we'll see. All right, so that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys care to watch more of these series or anything else on the channel like motorcycles or stuff like that, please feel free to subscribe. I do plan to do more things to the Subaru here, and yeah, if that's something that interests you, please, let me know so I can feel motivated to do those videos. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.